Route 5, Packard. This is the A, the B, the C, and the D of the number 5 until it reaches Stone School in Eisenhower. From the Blake Transit Center, we're going to leave the mall. We're going to pull down to 5th Avenue where we're going to make a right turn. Making our right turn onto 5th. We're going to continue straight on 5th Avenue until we cross Williams here at the light. This is the current outbound route due to the construction on campus. Stay tuned for updates. This is our current outbound route at this time. On 5th, we will continue. We will make a left turn at the stoplight, which is Packard. There are no stops of service on 5th. You'll note all of the construction signs ahead. We're actually going around the construction. Normal route, we will be coming down Thompson Street. Continuing on Packard. At Thompson Street, there is a stop approaching. This is also noted as a time point. Continuing on Packard. Crossing State Street. There is a stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. At the traffic light is East Stadium Boulevard. Packard Stadium is a time point. Crossing East Stadium. Stop approaching. Stop approaching. Please remember to adhere to Ann Arbor crosswalk laws. Whenever there is a pedestrian in a marked crosswalk, we are to yield the right of way. Stop approaching. Cross the Pan Valley. Stop approaching. It is from this point where our variations begin. If we were doing an outbound D, we would stay to the left at the traffic light. If you're doing a B, an A, B, or C, an A, B, or C, you will veer to the right and go down Stone School. We will pick up the beginning of the D outbound express from this point in another video. Gonna make a right on the Stone School. Stop approaching. If you are doing the A, B, or C outbound Packard. We're approaching Eisenhower, which is a time point. We will pick up the outbound A, B, or C on a separate video from this point.